Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel. Today we will be looking at the new Vaporesso Cross 3 Nano kit featuring a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, integrating the advanced Xros chipset, providing their powerful pulse mode with an ergonomic exterior structure, adopting a visually captivating art design, vibrant nano battery indicator, powered by fast charging Type-C USB, paired with a 2 ml refillable pod, compatible with previous Cross pods, utilizing an integrated mesh coil system, adopting Vaporesso's CoreX heating technology, providing great tasting flavors for a satisfying MTL experience. Let's get right into it and present the new Cross 3 Nano kit by Vaporesso. And here we have the new Cross 3 Nano kit provided to us as a sample by Vaporesso, the newest addition to the Cross lineup. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, the device offers an ergonomic box-style design mixed with a stylish artistic design finish, available in 10 different color variations to choose from. Here we have the lemon yellow edition for today's review, integrating a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery. The Cross 3 Nano adopts Vaporesso's advanced Xros chipset, offering rapid firing speeds, providing a constant voltage output feature, powered by fast charging Type-C USB. The device will utilize a draw-activated firing mechanism. Here we have the Vaporesso logo on one side, with a built-in LED battery light indicator. Here it says Cross 3 Nano. There's our lanyard port. Here we have a more stylish artistic design, utilizing the Vaporesso text logo. Here we have the adjustable airflow control side lever, with a Type-C USB charge port rested below, paired with a refillable Cross pod, offering a snap-off top fill system, housing up to 2 ml of e-liquid, backed with a transparent pod structure, magnetic pod connection, utilizing an integrated mesh coil system. The device will be compatible with the previous Cross pods and vice versa, backed with Vaporesso's CoreX heating technology, delivering great tasting flavors for a satisfying vaping experience. The package will include the Cross 3 Nano battery device with a 2 ml refillable Cross pod, utilizing a pre-installed 0.6 ohm mesh coil, an extra 2 ml refillable Cross pod, utilizing a pre-installed 0.8 ohm mesh coil, a Vaporesso lanyard, a Type-C USB charging cable, and lastly, a user manual.